Before making our first connection, we should talk a little bit about two ways that we can make a connection to that data and what some of the consequences are for making that connection type. We're going to talk about data import versus a live connection. Now, there's no right way and there's no wrong way to do this. We make the type of connection that gives us the best performance with respect to reports and dashboards. Importing data is by far the most popular. When we do this, we're bringing copies of the data into Power BI Desktop, which means it's in the file on our screens and it's going to be saved to whatever drive we save it as a copy of the data. That has the distinct advantage of giving us very fast performance. Very rarely do we need to wait too long to get much to happen. We're going to enjoy that sort of responsiveness. On the other hand, with a live connection, we're not importing anything, but we have to be careful because things like network traffic and network congestion, performance on our data servers and so forth, those will have something to say about the responsiveness of those reports. So again, it does not mean that there's a right or a wrong. It just means sometimes we need to try both to figure out which one is best. In this course, we're really going to work with imports, but in real life, I would be talking to the folks in IT departments and saying, let's try both and let's get what's going to be best for everybody else. Now, with respect to modeling, we're going to defer modeling till a little bit later. That's not really something we want to get into in a beginner course because we want people building as quickly as possible. So we're going to start out by looking at some Excel data, and I'm going to walk everyone right through the process of importing that.